everyone and welcome to my channel. This is a quick video to show you how I've created these flowers. I have received quite a few requests for it, so here it is. It's going to be quick, so I'm going to be using a nail tip for this one, but I will probably be using my flexi hand for any other videos I will probably upload within the next few weeks. Now for this design, I have already applied 2 coats of the white polish from Neon Nail Snow White, and I have already applied 1 coat of the Nail Chemie matte top coat, which is one of my personal favorites. And for the petals, I will be using Sharpies. Now Sharpies, you can get them everywhere in any craft store. They're not very expensive and they go a long way. Now this is a really easy design. You don't need a lot of skill for it. I'm going out of shot there, sorry about that. I'm trying to get used of filming and staying in shot, but that's not really that easy. I'm going to get used to it. So you just need to create the petals as I show you in the video. It's self-explanatory really. There's not a lot to do. You just choose your colors. I've gone for more pastel colors just because I feel like they suit the season a little bit better and I like the effect. And once you do that, what you will be doing is fading that Sharpie using a brush. Now I'm using an old brush. Doesn't need to be too thin, but you still want it to be thin enough so it doesn't blend all the colors together. So you just dip the brush into wipe off solution and just slightly dab it on the Sharpie. Now don't put too much because it will blend everything and you will lose the flower. I will just do that for all the petals and I will create a second flower as well. It is always the same thing. You just need to clean your brush between each color so that again it doesn't blend the colors together. So I'm just gonna continue doing that until I'm happy with the result. Now I'm creating the second flower. Again, you can use any colors you want. I'm just choosing more summery colors. And it doesn't really matter on, you don't need straight lines. I am using a detail brush just to separate the colors afterwards. But for now, you really don't need to struggle too much with that. This is a new channel, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because I will have a lot more videos coming within the next few weeks. I'm still fairly new to this, so I'm still trying to figure out the filming, the lighting. So if you have any requests as well for what you would like to see in the next video, please comment down below. Now I'm going to be using a detailer brush that's from Nail Chemie as well, and gel black paint, which I'm going to use to just draw thin lines between the petals, just to put a little bit more depth. So I will slightly draw within the petals really thin lines and then smaller lines within the petal just to add some detail. Now I will leave the links to all of the products used in the description box below. You will also have the link to my Instagram page and everything that you need to know about the video will be in the description box below. Now we will need to cure that in the lamp, and once that is done, I will go ahead and apply another coat of the matte top coat, and I will be applying the crystals into that top coat and cure it all together. Now, if you're using obviously big crystals, you will need another kind of adhesive, but in this case they're really small, so they're really okay for curing into the top coat. And this is the finished result. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel, lots more to come. Thank you.